at Rite Aid. It's Friday night. What better thing to do on a Friday night than coupon? I'm going to wrap up a few more hauls, and I thought I'd take you along with me just to kind of show you what I do. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Raylina. I share Rite Aid deals. I'm glad you're here. I hope you are open and willing to learn Rite Aid. Despite the fact that they're closing a lot of stores, there's still going to be a lot of stores open. My manager says that they're going to be open for the long haul. Your store may or may not close. If it's still open and you're wondering about continuing on with Rite Aid, I would suggest you do until the day they close, because the deals are just too great. As you may have heard, Black Friday at Rite Aid is amazing, and it's probably going to be that way again this year. So be prepared and get ready for that. So we're going to go ahead and keep on rolling our bonus cash, accumulating our challenges, so that way we have money to roll for next month. Can you believe it's already November? It's already Black Friday time. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to go in and show you what I do just to wrap up the week. These deals are good until the 7th. So the week of the 8th, it's going to be a little bit slower, but I do see some potential deals. So we could still get some deals next week. Don't count it out too quick. All right, so let's go in and see what we can make happen. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Scott priced at $14.99. For buying 2, I'm getting $10 back. I don't have any coupons, but I am going to be completing a bonus cash challenge, so I'm going to pick these up. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Frosted Flakes. I'm going to do a chocolate and a cinnamon French toast just to try these different types, and then we have $1 back on Ibotta. I did scan it and it's qualifying, so it's a pretty good price to me. They're on sale 2 for $5, and then I get $2 back from my Ibotta, making it 2 for $3. Of course, working it into a spend 40, it's going to be even less than that. Picking up some Persil for $5.99 with the $2 digital and $2 back, and I also submit to Ibotta. I just need $1.08 more, and I passed by these jumbo push pins, and these would actually be perfect for my husband's planner board. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick these up just to get over the $40 that I need. So this is everything I'm picking up. I'm going to go ahead and check out and show you the receipt. Here's a look at my receipt, everything that I picked up and showed you. If you wanted to look at more detail on that, you can pause it and do so. My Ibotta did reset again for the Persil, so I'll submit that for $2. And then I did complete my bonus cash challenge for the Scott. So there's $10 back there. So I spent $32.69 today, all bonus cash, and $22. These printed off for me. So I have an 11 off of 55, a Zyrtec, and a Lubriderm. So really nice haul and transaction there. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to submit to Ibotta as well for the cereal. I almost forgot that. So $2 back on those. So $1 each back on the cereal. Really nice moneymaker. I'm so grateful for Rite Aid. I truly am. So I'm going to do another transaction, and then I'm going to call it a night. But I just wanted to do one more before I ended the night. And I might come back tomorrow to wrap things up. Not to be greedy, but to wrap things up, because next week is not going to be as great, and I do want to make sure I'm getting as many of my bonus cash challenges done as possible. So let's go ahead and get another one in. Shout out to G Money Saver over here on YouTube. She shared the PNG deal, which I was really overlooking, and until she pointed it out and saw how she worked it into a transaction, I wasn't really feeling it. So shout out to her. If you're not already following her, go check her out. She's here on YouTube, G Money Saver. She shares Rite Aid deals and some other deals here and there. I believe just mainly Rite Aid though. So she's very sweet, kind, and like Miss Empty Nester said, I did hear her point her out as well. Let's help get her to 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome, so let's go over there and get her to where she needs to be. But we have $1 off digital, so I'm gonna pick up, I'm probably gonna do these wet cloths right here. The $1 digital will work on these. Hopefully, I'll let you know. I'm gonna scan it right now to check. Interesting enough, on the app it did not attach. The $1 coupon did not attach to these, but on the website it did attach. So this one is working with the coupon. So this is $5.49. I'm going to pick that up. I'm going to work up my transaction to spend $20 because you'll get $5 back when you spend $20 in P&G products. Picking up a Tide Simply with Oxy. This is 2 for $7. I'm going to pick this one up, and I thought there were some pods. Let me get the pods. Where are the pods? I don't see any pods. Do you see the pods? I don't see the pods. Okay. There's some up there, but they're not the Simply. Checking the end caps, and there's none here. I found where they go. They're all out, so I'm gonna just get another Tide with Oxy. I have a bonus cash challenge. I just needed to spend $3 more in Tide products to get quite a bit more. I'll show you at the end, but yeah, so this will help me get there. Picking up a Febreze at $3.29. We do have a $2.30 coupon, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of those and a car freshener. I'll go with this one. So I'm going to pick this up as well. I just need a little over $1 more. I'm going to go ahead and grab some Dawn because it's Dawn, and why not? You can always use this. I actually make this Dawn Power Wash. If you haven't seen Running Kimono's video on how to use a little bit of this, some alcohol and water to recreate that, you should definitely check that out. If I find the video, I'm going to link it because that has saved me so much money. Instead of replacing that, I just refill those with a little bit of this. So huge money saver. So shout out to her for sharing that. So after the digital coupons, $1 for the Swiffer, $2.30 for the 2 Febreze, and 50 cents for one of the Tides. That brings my total down to $16.26. So I do need to get over 40. I'm gonna throw in some OxyClean. As you saw, I did post it. It's a part of this Arm & Hammer deal. So as long as you haven't done the Arm & Hammer deal already, sorry, someone is coming. But as long as you haven't done the Arm & Hammer deal, then you could do the OxyClean deal. So as you can see, I only have 3 in the store. So if I wanted to, I could put an Arm & Hammer in with this, since I haven't done it on this account. Let me do my math. I may go ahead and max it out if I don't decide to grab some other stuff. Alright, I'm good. I'm gonna actually just grab the 2 OxyClean on this one and fill it in with some other stuff. I only need $8 more, so I'm gonna work in some other items. I am really low on cotton swabs, so I'm gonna pick up 2 of these Daylogics. They're priced at 2 for $6. When you buy 2, you get $2 back. I also have a bonus cash challenge. Spend 10, and I believe I'm gonna get like $2 to $3 back. So this will be great. To finish off this Daylogic bonus cash challenge, I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. They're priced at $1.99, and this week they're buy 2 and you get 1 free. So I'll be paying $4 for these 3. It'll complete my bonus cash challenge, and I did look at it. I'm getting $3 back. It says $2.50, but Rite Aid rounds that up, so it'll be $3 in the end. Alright, here's everything I'm picking up. The Daylogic products, the P&G products, and the OxyClean. So I'm going to go ahead and check out and let you guys know how it all turns out. Alright, so here's my receipt with the Febreze at the top, the Dawn with no coupon, the other Febreze, and the Swiffer with the $1 digital, the Oxy, the Tide with the 50-cent digital, the other 5, or the first 5 off of either 15 or 25, the Tide with no coupon, and the other 5 off of 15 or 25, the Rite, buy 2 get 1 free, and then the cotton swabs 2 for $6. So I paid $35.19. I got $20 back and almost $1 in points. And then down here it shows I got 3 for the Oxy, 2 for the swabs, 10 for the email barcode, and then 5 for the P&G deal. So really great outcome here. And then I will submit to Ibotta for $4 back for the OxyClean. It's $2 on each. And I did complete the Tide bonus cash challenge. So I'm going to tally up all the numbers at the end and let you guys know what that turns out to be. Oh, also the Day Logic bonus cash challenge. So I'll get $3 back there. All right, I'll tally up everything and let you know what it is. This first transaction was a $4 moneymaker after completing my bonus cash challenge for the Scott, getting the Ibotta rebates back for the Persil and for the cereal. And with the points and other bonus cash that I earned, I don't think I showed you this one earlier, the breakdown at the bottom. Basically, it was the $2 for the Persil, the $10 for the Scott, and the $10 for the email coupon. So this makes this a $4 moneymaker. The second transaction ends up being $1.19. That is after bonus cash back, completing the last tier of my Tide, which gives me an additional $6 back on that bonus cash. And then the Day Logic, I'll be getting $3 back for that. So with all of those factored in and the Ibotta rebates for the OxyClean, it makes this whole transaction, including my tax, just $1.10. So amazing deal with both transactions combined tonight. That ends up being about a $3 moneymaker for both transactions. And as you can see, it's all legit. It's all there. It's just the way you work your transactions in with your bonus cash challenges to make the most of it. So if you're not already using your bonus cash challenges, do check that out. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Congratulations. If you made it this far in the video, you are the first to hear about my surprise giveaway for the month of October. It's going to run for the whole month to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, tag me in one of your hauls over on Facebook or Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Facebook and Instagram, and you'll be able to enter into the giveaway. The winner will receive a digital $25 Amazon gift card, and I will be picking 3 winners, so you have a better chance to win. I'll pick 3 winners on October 31st. The last day to enter is October 30th. So yeah, make sure you guys tag me in your hauls and I'll enter you in. And when it comes time, I'll put you in the wheel and we'll spin the wheel on October 31st and announce the 3 winners live. Good luck to you. I can't wait to see your hauls. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.